Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to turn dark mode on or off in chess.com. So if you want to turn on dark mode on, or if you want to make it brighter, make it more, livelier in your screen on your PC's chess.com, it's very easy. All you need to do is you need to, of course, log into your account. Once you have signed in, you want to look towards your lower left corner. You're going to have some options here. You want to click on the cogwheel or settings icon. So if you do this, so if you click like so, these pop-up will appear. So here on the third option under customize sidebar, it says light UI. So you want to click on this like so. So this is pretty much light mode, right? By default, it's going to be dark mode. At least from my end, it's dark mode when I first started tinkering with chess.com. But if you want light mode, it's going to look like this. As you can see here, if we go to puzzles, let's see what it looks like. So pretty much the same thing, right? If you go to learn, other menu type, there you go. So again, learn others, even these like pop-ups will become light or white compared to black. So if you want to turn dark mode, as you can see, it says dark UI, click on that. And as you can see, everything becomes dark again. If you go back to the main menu, the homepage, as you can see, it is back to dark. So pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.